For years, businesses have competed for one thing: search engine ranking. The formula was simple: create content, build backlinks, get clicks, and rank higher. But search is changing. Today, millions of people are not just searching on Google, they are asking AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Google AI for their recommendations. Questions like what is the best CRM software, which agency should I hire for marketing, which is the best accounting software for startups, and instead of showing 10 different websites, AI gives them one direct answer. This means that the next big marketing battle is not just about ranking higher on search engines. It's about becoming the brand that AI recommends. That's why Answer Engine Optimization (AEO) is becoming one of the fastest growing areas in digital marketing. Today we are looking at top 10 AEO agencies that are helping brands gain visibility in this new AI search era. At number 1 is Growth Marketing Pro. Unlike traditional SEO agencies that focuses on Google rankings, GMP approaches AEO as a complete growth ecosystem. Make your brand the answer when the customers are searching through AI. Their AEO strategy includes AI optimized content, technical SEO improvements, Reddit marketing, digital PR, entity authority building, link building, AI visibility tracking. One important thing about AI search is that AI models don't just look at your website, they look across the internet. They analyze trusted websites, community discussions, reviews, articles, brand mentions, authority signals. GMP focuses on building these signals so that brands are more likely to appear in AI generated answers. Their approach combines traditional SEO strategies with new AI search strategies, helping companies improve their visibility across platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Google AI, etc. For companies who want to get ahead of this AI search revolution, Growth Marketing Pro is one of the agencies leading this space. Number 2, Single Grain. Single Grain is well-known growth marketing agency that has worked with companies across SaaS, e-commerce, education, and technology. Their approach to AEO combines AI search optimization with traditional growth marketing. They focus on AI friendly content creation, SEO, paid advertising, conversion optimization, structured content strategies. Their strength is combining AI visibility with complete marketing funnel. Because getting mentioned by AI is valuable, but converting that attention into customers is what that matters. Number 3, Flying Cat. Flying Cat specializes in B2B SaaS companies. Their approach focuses heavily on revenue driven SEO and generative engine optimization. Instead of chasing random traffic, they focus on attracting buyers who are close to making a purchase decision. Their strategies include GEO optimization, bottom funnel content, international SEO, AI search visibility, revenue focused reporting. For software companies where every customer have a significant value, this approach can be extremely effective. Number 4, No Good. No Good is a growth marketing agency working with startups, technology companies, and customer brands. Their approach combines SEO, paid marketing, performance branding, AI search optimization. One of their advantage is combining creative marketing with data-driven experimentation. They focus on helping brands understand where they appear across AI platforms and how that visibility impacts growth. Number 5, Revenue Zen. Revenue Zen focuses primarily on B2B companies. Their AEO strategy combines SEO, GEO, content marketing, LinkedIn content, AI visibility tracking. A major focus for them is connecting AI visibility with actual business outcomes. Because ranking inside AI answers sounds impressive, but the real question is, does it generate qualified leads? Number 6, First Page Sage. First Page Sage has built its reputation through content marketing and SEO. Now they are adapting those strategies for AI search. Their focus is creating content that works for both humans searching for answers and AI systems looking for trusted information. Their expertise in long form content and authority building makes them an interesting player in the AEO space. Number 7, Siege Media. Siege Media is another content focused agency. Their strength has always been creating high authority content assets. And this matters because AI models rely heavily on trusted information sources. Their approach includes content strategy, digital PR, link acquisition, SEO, GEO optimization. Number 8, iPull Rank. iPullRank takes a more technical approach towards AI search. Their focus is what they call relevance engineering. The idea is that how can brands make it easier for AI systems to understand about their expertise and authority. Their work combines technical SEO, content engineering, entity optimization. For large companies, technical foundations become extremely important. Number 9 is Ignite Visibility. Ignite Visibility is a full service digital marketing agency. Their AEO offering combines SEO, GEO, content creation, paid media, and digital strategy. Their advantage is bringing AI optimization into a broader performance marketing framework. Last but not the least, Intero Digital. Their approach combines technology and marketing strategy to help businesses understand how search engines and AI platforms interpret their website. So, how do you choose the right AU agency? You have to look for four things. Number one, AI expertise. A traditional SEO agency does not automatically understands AI search. Number two, authority building. AI systems need trust signals before recommending the brand. Number three, measurement. The agency should show where your brand appears, which questions mention you, and how does it connects with your business. Number 4, a combination of SEO and AEO. The future is not replacing SEO, it is expanding beyond it. The way people discovers businesses is changing. First, we optimized for websites, then we optimized for search engines, and now we are optimizing for AI answers. The brands that understand AEO today will have a major advantage tomorrow. Because in AI era, the biggest win isn't just ranking higher, it is becoming the answer itself. That's it for this video. I'll see you in another one with more interesting tools and tips for startups and businesses. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.